Welcome to video number 2 in the EPIC series. In this video, we talk about the type of model EPIC is. We can describe the model type in at least 4 ways. First, EPIC is a decision analytic model. This means the model aims to inform decision-making in the health system. As we'll see, EPIC focuses on decisions that Canadian policymakers could make that would improve health and reduce costs from COPD. Second, EPIC is a whole disease model. This means the model aims for a big picture view of a disease. EPIC does that by representing the general population of Canadians, which includes people who have COPD, people who will develop COPD in the future, and people who will not develop it. The model then represents COPD in the context of the healthcare system. This means modeling COPD's effect on a person's health, their healthcare service use, and the healthcare costs that result from this. By doing this, the model creates a way to see how potential changes to the healthcare system, like policy changes, could influence the impact of COPD in the big picture. Third, EPIC is a dynamic population model. This means the model captures changes in a population, like how it will grow over time, and how its characteristics or demographics will change. Right now, EPIC represents the Canadian population, and it describes how many Canadians have COPD and how many will develop it in the future. Fourth, EPIC is a discrete event simulation model. This means 2 things. First, the term discrete event tells us that the model looks at specific events of interest to us that we're able to define and measure. An example of something the model calls an event is a hospitalization. In EPIC, events happen to individual simulated people, starting at the age of 40. Next, the word simulation tells us that the model describes something over time, like time point 1, time point 2, time point 3, or this year, the year after that, and the year after that. Before we go on, we should take a second to note that all computer models are a simplification of reality, and they're developed according to what we want to know. Whatever we model, we could look at in a different way or in a different level of detail. In videos 3 and 4, we talk about which parts of COPD and which parts of the health system EPIC currently describes, and in how much detail. That brings us to the end of video number 2. To know more about what type of model EPIC is, please ask us. You can send us a message on Twitter @PeerModels or on our website at peermodelsnetwork.com.